for choosing Tameron Hyundai. This is Christina. I am super excited that you inquired about the new Santa Fe. I wanted to make sure I gave you a quick view of the vehicle and introduce myself to you. You're going to notice this has a beautiful honeycomb grille with our new wraparound LED headlights, daytime running lights, and premium alloy wheels, external turn indicator signals, and of course proximity key. You're going to love the fact that this vehicle comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, and it also comes with our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup cam, and it comes equipped standardly with some amazing safety features like smart cruise, lane departure, lane retention, and blind spot warning. But the best part about the Santa Fe is not all the amazing features, it is the warranty. It's a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that Tameron blows your mind away and doubles it to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you definitely won't beat that warranty anywhere, and you definitely won't beat the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai. So give me a call. Again, my name is Christina. The number is 205-314-0304. Let me show you why you love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.